Colt Creek State Park, November 2025. Site 1. Parking across from Site 1. Site 2. Pull through. Site 3. And Sophia is along for our day trip. Site 4. Site 5. Oh, drama queen. Site 6. Paved.
Campsite 7.
Next to Site 6 is the bathhouse.
These are the washer and dryers.
Site 8.
This is Site 8. Site 9.
Campground host. Site 11.
This is Site 11. This is pull through Site 12.
Parking for the tents. 13, 14, 15, 16,
Site 17.
and 18. And we're gonna leave Sophie here. She doesn't know us.
This is Site 19. This is Site 20. This is Site 21. Site 22. Pull through 23. Pull through 24. 25.
26.
This is 27.
Okay. 28. 29. There's a tent back there. Site 30. Site 31. 32. 33. 34. It's the bathhouse back there. And here's the dump station. Equestrian campground.
Coming?
Did you have fun today, Sophia?
Yes.
Did you enjoy your bike ride?
Yes.
Did you enjoy the horses you saw?
Yes.
Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes.